In this video, we're talking about how to blow up your solar business with referrals. Now, if you don't know who I am and you just stumbled across this channel, my name is Ivan and I help people grow profitable sales orgs in solar and show them how to generate their own leads while being location independent and selling over the phone. In this video, obviously, we're gonna focus on referrals. Everyone likes referrals, but I would want to grow my business with something that is predictable. But obviously, if a referral comes through, once in a blue moon, then it's always good, right? It's always nice because you did nothing for it, pretty much. You didn't spend any money to acquire that deal. You didn't spend anything, really. It was just somebody referring someone to you without you doing anything, which is absolutely beautiful. Now, I do want to say a disclaimer. I haven't done this myself. One of my clients has actually done this, so I got this from him, but I want to be able to share the knowledge with you. It doesn't matter whether I've done it or not. I want to be able to share that knowledge with you so you can apply it, right? I heard it pretty recently and it sounded pretty awesome, so I want to be able to give it away for you guys to get all the benefits. First of all, what you want to do is you don't want to tell people that, hey, we're going to pay you $500 or we're gonna pay you $1,000 or this, that, and the other, right? What you wanna do is you wanna make sure that you tell them, hey, who do you wanna help? Not who do you wanna refer? Who do you wanna help? And the reason why is because he called it families helping families, which is pretty awesome. We're gonna give them $500 and we're gonna give you, the person referring that deal to us, $500 also. Who do you want to help, not who do you want to refer to us, right? So it's just a slight change in perspective, a slight change in the meaning, sort of like how you're gonna portray that to the homeowner, but it does the same job. So that's all that matters. So you want to say obviously how you want to help, who do you want to help, and then what you want to do is you want to have a bonus structure. So for every one referral that they send you, they're gonna get the benefits of getting the $500 and obviously their friends or families getting a $500 also. Then if they do 3 referrals, they're gonna get a brand new full HD smart TV, whatever, like super big, whatever, they're gonna get that. If they give you 5 referrals, which is 5 people that go solar that they've referred over to you to do business with, you're gonna give them a barbecue, like a nice barbecue, and who doesn't like barbecue? I certainly do. So I know they're gonna enjoy it. And so I think that's a good idea. You should definitely tell people, hey, I can give you this, this, and this, the more people you refer to us. And then the last thing is, if you refer 10 people to us, we're gonna send you on a cruise trip, which is freaking awesome. Who doesn't want that? If you're selling from a distance, referrals are not gonna matter that much, at least in the same sense that we teach solar sales, but referral is a referral at the end of the day, right? Again, everyone loves referrals and you just wanna change the meaning of what it is. You just wanna change not the meaning, but the perspective. You wanna change the perspective of how they're gonna view the action of them referring another person to you. So you don't want to be like, oh, I'm going to beg other people to get in contact with you. No, I want to help people. So we as human beings, we like helping each other. Most people out there are good. They're not bad, they're good. And so we like to help people. And we want to help other people. And obviously we want to help ourselves, but we want to do it in a way that I wouldn't feel bad about referring someone over to someone, to a company, to your company, right? And the best way possible to do that is by changing the perspective of that individual to think that they're helping people, which in reality they still are. I mean, if you could slice their bill in half or lower their bill by 30-40%, it's still a significant improvement than what they're already getting. But the fact of the matter is that just because in that slight change of perspective, you're going to be able to get your point across and you'll be able to get the job done. And that's all that matters. So again, the best way to get a referral is to make sure that you just change the way people view referring people over to you. And also you can have a referral bonus structure. Like for 1 referral, they get a coffee maker. For 3 referrals, they get a smart TV. For 5 referrals, they get a barbecue. And then for 10 referrals, they can go on a cruise ship vacation. So, and that's pretty awesome. So that's gonna conclude this video, a very short one. I hope you got value from it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you do by smashing that button down below. And again, I'll see you on the next one.